Welcome to Stayf Doodles. I'm Stayf van de Groot, a Dutch artist, but you can call me Stayf. The reason why you're seeing this video is because you're not subscribed to my channel. I make a lot of video tutorials about how to draw and paint on the iPad in several drawing apps, but especially in Procreate, which is one of my favorite drawing apps. I've been doing this for 4 years, so there are around 300 videos on this channel. So if you go to the top of my channel, you can tap on the playlist and then you see all the different playlists that will take you to the topic you really are interested in. Now, I also make tutorials on how to animate in 2D, in Adobe Animate and also in Moho. And I'm doing some product reviews as well, and also reviews about art books. So if you're interested in illustration and want to learn how to draw and paint on the iPad, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!